Hey guys, so today we're going to look at intervals of increase, decrease, domain, and range. We're going to kind of skip around this a little bit and talk about some of the things that your ACT book says that we need to discuss. So intervals of increase and decrease. It is increasing if it's going up. We always read left to right. This is increasing. And if it's going down, it's decreasing. And so again, this kind of helps if you draw vertical lines all the way through each piece for every turning point. So anywhere it changes direction. So I see it's changing a direction here, changes the direction. It goes from decreasing to increasing here, increasing to decreasing, changes here, here, and here. So all the places that it's increasing, I'm going to write an I. It's decreasing here, here, and here. So this asks me, is this function f, is it increasing on the interval -8, which is right here, to -2? And yes, it's increasing there. It wants to know, is it increasing from 2 to 10? And no, it's not. Part of it is, but not the whole thing. So no. When you're doing intervals of increasing and decreasing, you're giving x values only. So we're looking at the x values. So it says list the intervals on which the function is increasing. So we've already said it's increasing from -8 to -2. Sorry, we're going to use a bracket because it reaches this -8. Or no, sorry, parentheses, -8, -2. It's also increasing from -2 to 0. Ooh, no, that's decreasing. -2 to 0. Then it's increasing again from 0 to 2. Remember, we're doing x value, so I'm only considering this line. Then it's decreasing from 2 to 5. Then it increases again from 5 to infinity. It's got an arrow making it going to positive infinity. And then we miss this part. It's decreasing from negative infinity to -8. Okay, remember x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis. Y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So there should only be one y-intercept if it's a function. So the y-intercept is here at 0, 0. But all the x values are where it crosses the x-axis. So here at 0, -10, or sorry, -10, 0, -5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, and that's it. So a couple more examples. Wants to know domain. Remember, domain is left to right. Range is bottoms up. So our domain, x values, for this function right here is -4 to 4. And it gives brackets because we can reach -4 and we reach +4. Range are your y values, and you do bottoms up. So my lowest y value right here is 0. My highest y value is 3. Remember brackets because we reached 0, we reached 3. Intervals of increasing and decreasing. So again, if it helps, draw your dotted lines. And we see it starts with decreasing, so it decreases from -4 to -2. We get parentheses because right here it's constant. It's not going up or down. So that's why it's a parentheses. We don't technically reach -4 with the increasing and decreasing. So -4 to -2, it's decreasing. Then it increases from -2 to 0. Then 0 to 2, it decreases. And from 2 to 4, it increases. All right. Next one. Number 10, domain. Left to right, x values. It goes from -pi to pi. This is a trig graph. We're going to look at this a little bit next week. And you use radians. So not degrees, but radians when you're graphing those. So we'll take a look at this, but it's going from -pi to pi. Your range, the lowest value is -1. Highest value is 1. And intervals of increase and decrease. It's decreasing from -pi to -pi over 2. And then it keeps increasing to -pi over 2 to +pi over 2. And then it decreases again from pi over 2 to pi. Let's look at number 11, and then it's your turn. Domain again, farthest x value, which is -3, to the other farthest one, which is +3. Range, bottoms up. My lowest y value is -1. My highest y value is +2. And now increase, decrease, and we see we also have some constants. So it's constant from -3 to -1. It's not going up or down. It's just staying constant the entire way. Then it decreases. So it's going down from -1 all the way to +1. Then it's constant again from 1 to 2. And then increases from 2 to 3. So those are, that's discussing increasing, decreasing, and domain and range. Now you guys have some stuff to do on Go Formative. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.